Welcome back to Fort Lewis. Today we're making a basil finishing salt. The temperatures around here dropped very rapidly this weekend, and so I went to the garden and harvested all the herbs that I could before the freeze. I have a lot of basil, and so I found this recipe online. I think it's going to be great. All you need is garlic, your fresh summer herbs, and a little bit of kosher salt. What we're going to do, we're going to process the herbs, the garlic, and the salt together in the food processor. We'll lay it all out on a cookie sheet to dry, and then once it has dried for an hour or two, then we're going to put it in these cute little jars so that I can share them with friends and family. So let's get started. The herbs and salt have been drying for a couple of hours. We're starting to jar it up. I think they turned out really cute. They smell fantastic, and it's a fabulous way to carry that basil flavor with you throughout the winter months. I would love to know your favorite ways of preserving and utilizing your herbs throughout the winter. Please let me know in the comments below. Click the bell for future notifications and subscribe. We'll see you again next time.